First flight. Pre-flight preparations. Remove the gimbal protector and unfold the aircraft's arms. Attaching the propellers. Propellers come in A and B types and cannot be installed in reverse. Attach propellers A with gray circle markings to the motors with gray markings. Likewise, attach propellers B without markings to the motors without markings. Hold the motor, press the propeller down, and rotate in the direction marked on the propeller until it pops up and locks in place. Unfold the propeller blades. It is recommended to fly in an open, unobstructed space. Make sure the propellers and battery are securely installed. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you. Make sure the flight mode switch is on normal mode and launch DJI Fly app. Open system settings and tap safety. Set the RTH height higher than the tallest building or nearby object. And set the obstacle avoidance action to bypass or brake. Make sure that the GNSS status icon is white and the DJI Fly app issues a voice prompt, home point updated. The aircraft comes with 42 gigabytes of built-in storage and also supports micro SD card expansion. Simply insert the micro SD card into the card slot on the aircraft if needed. Basic flight operations. Auto takeoff, landing. Tap the takeoff icon on the left and press and hold the prompt icon to enable takeoff. Tap the landing icon and press and hold the prompt to make the aircraft land automatically. Manual takeoff, landing. Push the left and right sticks of the remote controller inward or outward simultaneously to start the motors. Once the motors have started spinning, release both sticks simultaneously and gently push the left control stick up to manually take off. After takeoff, pull down the left stick to land. Once it has landed, keep pulling down the left stick all the way until the motors stop. Control the aircraft. Push the left stick up or down to make the aircraft ascend or descend. Push the left stick left or right to change the orientation of the aircraft. Push the right stick up and down to make the aircraft fly forward or backward. Push the right stick left or right to make the aircraft horizontally move left or right. Photos and videos. Half press the focus photo button on the right side of the remote control to automatically focus. Record button. Press once to start or stop recording. Left dial is used to adjust the tilt of the gimbal, and the right dial is used for zoom in or zoom out. Enter the camera parameter setting from the bottom right to adjust other camera parameters. Tap 3 to switch to medium telecamera. Tap again to change the zoom ratio. Tap 1 to switch to wide-angle camera. Tap the playback icon on the right side to view and download your footage shot. Exporting footage. The recorded footage will be stored to the aircraft or the micro SD card. Quick Transfer helps to quickly transfer the footage shot from the aircraft to your mobile device. Power on the aircraft. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the location feature on your smartphone. If the Allow Quick Transfer and Sleep feature is enabled in DJI Fly, the Quick Transfer can be used while the aircraft is powered off. Launch DJI Fly and tap the Quick Transfer card on the home screen. When connecting for the first time, press and hold the power button of the aircraft for 3 seconds to confirm connection. When using Allow Quick Transfer in Sleep, you can only connect to an aircraft that displays the sleep icon. Enter the album, select the footage, and click Download. and the footage will be downloaded to your phone. Quick Transfer supports background downloading, so switching to other apps will not interrupt the process. Smart RTH. Tap the RTH icon in the app and hold down the confirmation pop-up. The aircraft will return to home automatically, flying back to the most recently recorded home point and landing. Press and hold the RTH button on the remote controller also can trigger Smart RTH. Storage. Fold the aircraft arms. Attach the gimbal protector and place the aircraft properly.